Racing Jazz is started with G's Delight break week. Let us start the Resilient Grid running by. That is LA Special. Hailstorm comes next. Gintong Pilak, Prince Kuntil secondless. While Rumble in the Jungle is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Half-mile distance they traveled to have LA is Special enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Hailstorm in second. Resilient Grid moving upon the outside is Gintong Pilak. G's Delight comes next, then followed now by Prince Kuntil, while Rumble in the Jungle is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch with LA Special. Gintong Pilak is on the outside, and in third comes Hailstorm. Then next on that is Resilient Grid. As they swing for home, we have LA is Special now East rides away now by about 4 lengths. Hailstorm in second, then comes Gintong Pilak. G's Delight. Last 100 meters, it's all LA Special. And finally, the program opener belongs to LA Special. Second, G's Delight, then comes Hailstorm. Gintong Pilak.